Good morning children. Today we are going to see HCF by long division method. Let us see with an example. Find HCF of 20 and 24. Okay. So now we are going to divide by long division method. See here. The biggest number, which is 24, isn't it? So we divide this 24 by 20, the least number. Okay. So when you get 20 in 24, one time only, isn't it? So 20 ones are 20. So what do you get the remainder? 4, isn't it? Now, keeping this as divisor, we are going to divide this 20. This divisor becomes the dividend here. We are going to find the highest common factor, isn't it? So we are going to divide the divisors. So what do you get? 4 5s are 20, isn't it? So already here the number is there, isn't it? So I am not going to write the quotient here. I am going to write the quotient side by side. Okay. So 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 20, what do you get? 0. So we get the remainder as 0. That means it is satisfied for 4. So the last divisor is 4. So this is the highest common factor for 20 and 24. So let us check whether it is correct or wrong. Okay. So divide this 20 and 24 by 4. So what do you get? 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. Isn't it? See, 5 is the prime number. So we won't get any common factor with other numbers, isn't it? So we can't divide further. So it is proved that 4 is the highest common factor for 20 and 24. Are you clear, children? Find HCF of 216 and 124. It is the biggest number, isn't it? So now we are going to divide by long division method. First you have to write the biggest number as dividend and you have to divide with the smallest number. So 124. How many times we get? We go for one time because 2 times means 200 and this is 24. If it doubles means we get 48, isn't it? So we'll go with one time. So 124 ones are 124. Now we have to subtract. What do you get? So we get 2 and we can't subtract 2 from 1, so we have to borrow. So write the remainder here and the 1 here. So 11 minus 2, what do you get? 9. So this becomes the divisor now. So what's the dividend? This divisor, first divisor, 124. So now we are going to divide further. So how many times? One time only, because 2 times means 180. It becomes 180. So we go with 2 times. 92 ones are one time. So 92 ones are, what do you get? 92. Now we are going to subtract. So what do you get? 4 minus 2? 2. We can't subtract, so we have to borrow. So it becomes 0. Here it becomes 12. So 12 minus 9, what do you get? 3. Now this remainder becomes the divisor. So what would be the quotient? Yes, this 92. Now we are going to find this. So how many times? 3 times means 3 3s are 9, isn't it? But 3 2s are 6. So 96 means it is greater than. So we go with the 2 table 2 times. So 32 2s are 64. Now we are going to subtract again. We can't subtract 2 from 4. So borrow here. It becomes 8. Becomes 12. So 12 minus 4, what do you get? 8. 8 minus 6, 2. So now we are going to divide again because we didn't get the remainder as 0, isn't it? So 28, with the 28 as divisor, the before 32 divisor. That becomes the dividend. See, remember children, we are keeping the divisor as the dividend. Okay, we are dividing the divisor to get highest common factor. So 28 1 times 28, because 22s are 40 greater than 32, isn't it? So we have divided for one time. So what do you get? 4, because we can't subtract, so we have to borrow, and becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Now this 28 becomes the dividend. So when you get 4 7s are 28, isn't it? And the remainder is 0. At last we got the remainder as 0, isn't it? So now what you are going to do? Which one is the highest common factor? The last divisor. Which one? The 4. See, after finding each number, we get 4 as the common factor. So highest common factor of 216, 124 is 4. See children, you have to divide the biggest number by the smallest number. Okay, so write the remainder, and the remainders becomes the next remainder. The remainder becomes the new divisor, and the divisor, the old divisor, becomes the dividend. See here, 124, then this 92 becomes the next dividend, and this 28 becomes the 32 becomes the dividend here, and here the 28 becomes the dividend. So what are the dividends? The divisors becomes the divisor, isn't it? Sorry ma. The dividend is the older divisor, before divisor, isn't it? If we check this, so what we get? Let us check. 4 5s are 20 and 1, so 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 4 1 is 4. So 31 is a prime number, so we won't get any common numbers, common factor, isn't it? So 4 is the highest common factor of 216 and 124. So have you understood children?